I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Bid Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bid Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bid Assist logo and click on Bid Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Action. Campaign Monitor. Give here an API key and client ID. So please visit the Campaign Monitor API key. Copy the client ID. And paste it here. For the API key, click on Show API Key. Give here your login password and confirm it. Copy the API key. And paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose a subscriber list. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Campaign Monitor site, refresh it, and go to the lists. Under the lists, click on Bid Integrations. You can see the data came successfully in the Campaign Monitor site. Thanks for watching.